Are we getting too dependent on AI already?
With what you were saying, the one thing that I have heard a lot of is that at present, okay, the IT is really what's making the economy go. And
Mm.
I've heard more than one economist, legit economist, not you know who's economist. I've heard more than one of them, or two of them, or three of them say that as long as the IT continues doing what it's doing, but if it stopped today, we'd be in an immediate recession. Now, I'm not an economist, but I'm just telling you what I've heard a lot of. I was going to say, and if that's true, we could have a very big problem, okay? Because, I, IT is running the show for the economy right now.
Are we getting too dependent on AI already?
I think so.
I
Are we losing our creativity, that special
Yeah.
sauce that we
see,
all
but I mean,
saying that?
but well, hang on just a second, because I think that the thing is you have to use it as a tool, not as a replacement.
Yeah.
And you have to have the human behind it and the human's judgment and experience and creativity. And then if then you can use AI and have it kind of magnify what you're doing, so that instead of writing, you know, an article a day, you can write 30 articles in 2 hours or less, or what have you, because you have that experience, behind you. But the people who don't take the time to train it and use their own intellect and their own experience to really guide it, that they just put out garbage.